Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to quickly reset your GPU with a shortcut key hotkey. What happens when you reset your graphics driver? When you reset your graphics driver, this will restore the graphics card's settings to their default values. Resetting the graphics driver will fix any issues related to the display of the system. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. Method first, use a shortcut key hotkey. In order to reset the GPU on your system, you simply have to press Windows, Ctrl, Shift and B keys together at a time on your keyboard. Resetting the GPU using the keyboard shortcut will make the system beep once. You might see the system's screen completely black and not responsive for some time. Don't worry. Everything is gonna get back to normal soon, and all the apps, folders, or files that are open won't be closed. Method second, reinstall the graphics driver. Press the Windows and X keys together to view the context menu of the Start button on the taskbar. Next, press the M key again on the keyboard, which opens the Device Manager. In the Device Manager, you need to go to the Display Adapters option from the list. Double-click on it to expand it. Then right-click on the display adapter listed and select Uninstall Device from the menu. This uninstalls the graphics driver from the system. Now reboot the system, and while the system starts, it will install the appropriate default graphics driver on the system. You can also visit your graphics card manufacturer's website to download and install the graphics driver. Method third, update the graphics driver. Press the Windows and R keys together on the keyboard to open the Run box. Type dev.msc in the Run box and press the Enter key, which launches the Device Manager. Go to the display adapters and expand it. Then double-click on the graphics adapter, which opens the Properties window. Under the Driver tab and click Update Driver. This will pop up the update window and click Search automatically for drivers. It will start searching for the latest version of the graphics driver online. Once done, you can close the Device Manager. Graphics card drivers are quite intricate. They adjust fan speeds, interpret CPU commands, cache data from several sources, decode and encode video, and use specific hardware, such as RTX or CUDA. Driver updates make the graphics card's work routes faster by reducing needless activities or better dividing the workload. Several users claimed that they were able to fix most of the issues by resetting the graphics driver. Whether your graphics card is from NVIDIA, Intel, or AMD, you can always go to their website's downloads page and download the newest version to install it on your device. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like. See you in the next video. Bye.